Hey, what is going on, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Dreadlocks. I'm Gunther the Great, and today we're going to be looking at Icy Narco's real or fake dreadlocks. Now, I actually got a DM from honey_pena, and it looks like they're asking, are his dreadlocks real? And I've honestly been looking at his dreadlocks for about the last 30 minutes, just checking to see if his dreadlocks look real, if they appear fake. And off of first glance, I was like, oh yeah, these are for sure fake. But I clicked into his actual Instagram account and I looked deeper and saw that his dreadlocks are actually real to my appearance. Now, while we're filming this video, I can look some more and see if they are actually fake, but by the looks of it, the only way that they appear fake is that they look so well maintained for him having straight hair. Most likely 100% they used crochet needling to lock up his dreadlocks. That's why you see all of it looking very coiled up. And I think they achieved that by doing crochet needling, not twisting or using gel or anything like that. They did it by using a crochet hook. So now that you know you can actually get your dreadlocks to look really mature, very maintained with a crochet needle, I'm gonna leave a link to the crochet needle down below, and also a tutorial on how to use a crochet needle. It's actually very easy, and if you have dreadlocks, plan on getting dreadlocks, you're gonna need a crochet hook. If you don't have any other product, get a crochet needle. But one thing I can say about Icy Narco's dreadlocks is that they're really clean. I love the way they look. I like how his hair is dyed, but his hair still looks really healthy. Like, we see people like Lil Pump and his dreadlocks look destroyed, but Icy Narco's actually look really clean. The blue actually looks really good. I think blue is a really good color for dreadlocks if you plan on doing any color besides bleaching it. But I can say that it is possible that they are fake, even though I've been looking and I don't see any evidence of them actually being fake, but they still can be fake. Half of them could be his real hair. We can go all the way down to the bottom of his feed and see this photo from last year. And we can see right here his hair looked really messy, and by the looks of his roots, he was interlocking at this time. So he may still be interlocking. Let's take a look right here and see the roots. And it doesn't look like he's interlocking. Well, you can kind of see it here and there. But as far as his hair now, it looks like he's just twisting the roots and allowing them to lock up. He could still be interlocking. And to tell you the truth, actually I think he is still interlocking. You can barely tell, but it looks like he is still interlocking his hair. And you can pick up an interlocking tool in the link down below. I'll link one of those down as well. And a tutorial video on how to actually use an interlocking tool, which is also another instant locking method that will instantly lock up your hair as long as you have a dreadlock established. That is mostly for maintaining new growth. So first I would actually recommend you to start out doing crochet needling and then followed up by interlocking. Like I said, you can get both of those tools down below. Now, one thing I can say is that in this photo compared to this photo is that his dreadlocks look way skinnier in this photo than they do in this one right here. I mean, rappers these days or people these days are doing so many different things to their hair, as far as like cutting off their dreadlocks and reinstalling them, as far as like having fake dreadlocks or synthetic dreadlocks. So I wouldn't be surprised that his hair is fake, or if he cut it and reattached it, or if he has short dreadlocks and he has dreadlock extensions attached to them. There's actually so much that can be possible with his dreadlocks. But you guys, what do you think about Icy Narco's dreadlocks? I personally think they look really clean, and they're probably one of my favorite dreadlocks as far as a rapper's hair, especially because they're blue, they're dyed, and they look very healthy for them actually being dyed. So I'm assuming that he had to bleach his hair and then dye it afterwards, unless he is blonde. But actually, no, I don't think he's blonde. I think he actually has black hair, so he had to do the whole bleaching process and then go into actually dyeing the hair blue. And with his hair being healthy, it looks really good. This looks like how Lil Pump's hair looked like when he first started dyeing it. Now, if Icy Narco keeps on dyeing his hair, we're probably gonna see a whole bunch of damage. But I think if he stays consistent with the way he's doing his hair, should be fine. But comment down below what you guys think about his dreadlocks. I think they look really dope. Do you think they're real or do you think they're fake? Also, comment down below who you wanna see next. Also, don't forget to go check out Dreadlocks.com. Has all dreadlock needs, all dreadlock tutorials. And don't forget to go follow the Dreadlocks Instagram page, because if you tag Dreadlocks, you can be featured on the Instagram page or the website. Other than that, I'll see you guys next time. Peace.